I need more taco packs.
Get your partner right here.
What they on sale?
That's the last one left. Yeah.
Oh, 68, the beef franks. We can beat this. Oh, 68 for these. Hope I'm reading it right.
What's up?
I need sour cream for my taco salad. And we're gonna go with this one. 54 cents. Gotta go back. Gotta get ladies. I always do that when I come in the store. I forget. What got cheese in there? Not sure. I think maybe they have the taco blend, but I don't see it. So we'll just go with the Mexican style. My God. Still gotta go all the way back. Still gotta be just doing a weekly restock. Give it to the ladies. We might get some more ice cream cones. They 105. And then we'll get some ice cream for the kids. Looks like we're gonna be going with this blue ribbon one they got. 351. Oh, it's cool up in this freezer. I like to keep my budget organized so I can see what I got. You know what I'm saying? What I got, you know. You need to go back up this way. Cause I do need to get, what am I, 290s? Nah. I need to go up the juice aisle. Got water. We do need juice and soda. So they got, oh, they went up on these. They went to 192 because they were. They got those for 127, 137. That case is a drink. They call it soda. So we're gonna get one of the fruit punch, and 127, and one of the tropical punch. Yep. Okay. No, I need to find those waffles. I think I'm only on now. Let's put those out. For the waffles. I think I had to go back up for lettuce anyway. So oh, these are 130. The Sunny with these juices. They're 130. 130. Let's see. I don't know if it's a Wi-Fi over here. Yeah. They do. And they do. I will get this big box for $5. Bread. For the breakfast. All right. We're gonna get some of these hamburger buns. Get these hamburger buns. And since we already did a vlog about the hot dogs, on the hot dogs, I'm just gonna probably put those back because I think I have extra hot dogs already. I need to get the chips for the tacos. I'm about done. Just need to do a mini grocery haul. A mini. I think these chips right here are $4.43. If I'm not mistaken. So we usually get a bag of Doritos. I have plenty salsa at home still already. So I get a bag of Doritos and I'm looking for the scoops. Am I just blind or they hiding from me? Let's see. We're gonna get these two for the taco salad. Yep. With the Doritos. Okay. And we're gonna go back and get this lettuce. And that should be it. I don't know if they have some more. Let's see, let me get my purse. Never leave your purse in the bag. These plates right here, $133. I'm gonna get some of these plates. Right here. Okay, so I need to also go and get all these nice wines they got, guys. I gotta get lettuce. If you wanna understand the assignment, and don't forget that. And the kids need to restock back on some of their snacks. So we wanna get some snacks too. Some probably a Debbie's. We're gonna get, they got them 2 for $4. So we're gonna get them the white fancy. Oh, I shouldn't try to drop it. We're getting the white fancy, and we're gonna get the, what y'all think, guys? They got some back here, but these too big. I don't like the jumbo. I guess we'll get the little Debbie in the oatmeal too. All right. So I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna see what type of breakfast they serving before I go get my lettuce. See what they're serving, because my husband keep asking do they sell breakfast, and I'm gonna see what I can get him. So, a little cafeteria.
Yeah, eggs and bacon, yeah. Got a biscuit too. Sorry. Okay, don't worry about that. Go ahead, go check your mom. You want to get
They got grits, eggs, bacon, and sausage.
Go ahead, baby.
Okay, how much y'all plate here for a simple side? Finally got my groceries and got in the car, guys, after I got my breakfast because my camera had died. So I couldn't keep vlogging when they fixed the plate and rung me up at the cash register. So like I said, my camera died. So I'm about to head on home and get these weekly groceries put up. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My baby, he's loud. He's very loud. What's the matter? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified. Everybody have a blessed, beautiful day. Hope all your wishes and dreams come true. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.